Polynomials. Big, spooky word, ain't it? Sounds like something with feathers, or a dinosaur they dug out of Montana. Relax. A polynomial is just a bunch of x terms strung together with plus and minus signs. That's the whole monster. You've been wrangling these since middle school, and nobody bothered to tell you the name. So today, we do the full rodeo. Naming them, adding, multiplying, dividing, and by the time we're done, you'll crack open a big nasty cubic like an egg on a Sunday morning. Settle in, let's learn something. We start where every decent teacher starts, naming the critter. Take 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Each little piece, 3x squared, 5x, and the minus 2, that's a term. The degree is just the biggest exponent in the bunch. Highest power here is 2, so it's degree 2. And that lead number, the 3 sitting on the biggest term, we call the leading coefficient. Count the terms. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms, so she's a trinomial. 1 term to be a monomial, 2's a binomial. That's it. Quick check. 7x cubed minus 4. 2 terms, biggest power 3. So, binomial, degree 3. See? You're already smarter than you were 90 seconds ago. Don't let it go to your head. Now let's add a couple together. 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 plus x squared minus 4x plus 7. Golden rule of adding. You can only combine like terms. Same letter, same power, or they don't mix. Like oil and a cowboy's patience. The x squareds team up. 3 plus 1 is 4x squared. The x's? 5 minus 4 is 1x. The plain numbers? -2 plus 7 is 5. Tidy it up. 4x squared plus x plus 5. You're just sorting socks, matching pairs. Now subtraction. And listen up, 'cause this is where half the class face plants every single year. 5x squared minus 3x plus 4 minus the group 2x squared plus 6x minus 1. That minus sign out front ain't polite. It flips every sign in the second group. So it turns into minus 2x squared minus 6x plus 1. Now combine. 3x squared minus 9x plus 5. And every year, some buckaroo forgets to flip that last sign and wonders why the answer's wrong. Don't be that buckaroo. We all know that buckaroo. Multiplying time. X plus 3 times x minus 5. Here's the only rule you need. Every term in the first set's gotta shake hands with every term in the second. X times x is x squared. X times -5 is -5x. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times -5 is -15. Squish the middle two together. -5x plus 3x is -2x. Final answer, x squared minus 2x minus 15. Some teachers call it FOIL. I call it good manners. Everybody shakes everybody's hand. Let's size up. 2x minus 1 times the group x squared plus 3x minus 4. 2x greets all three. 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 8x. Then -1 greets all three. Minus x squared minus 3x plus 4. Gather the like terms. 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 11x plus 4. More handshakes. Same party. Nothing fancy, just don't skip nobody. All right, deep breath. Polynomial long division. I know. Long division gave you nightmares in 4th grade. But it's the same dance, just with x's now. X squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 2. Ask yourself, how many times does x go into x squared? X times. That x times the whole x plus 2 gives x squared plus 2x. Subtract it off. You're left with 3x. Drag down the 6. Now x into 3x? 3 times. 3 times x plus 2 is 3x plus 6. Subtract, and look at that. Nothing left. Answer's a clean x plus 3. No leftovers. But math, like life, don't always tidy up. 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Run the same dance. 2x squared, then plus x, then plus 6 up top. And when the dust clears, you got 11 left over that won't divide. That's a remainder. So the answer is 2x squared plus x plus 6, remainder 11. Now hold on to that 11, 'cause I'm about to save you a whole mess of work. This here's the remainder theorem, and it's the kind of shortcut that ought to be illegal. Want to know the remainder when you divide by x minus 2 without all that long division sweat? Just plug a 2 into the polynomial. Watch this magic. 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 1, plug in 2. 16 minus 12 plus 8 minus 1, 11. The same 11 we sweated 5 lines for. One little substitution. That's it. Somewhere a math teacher's crying. Try another. Remainder when x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 is split by x minus 2? Don't you dare long divide it. Plug in 2. 8 minus 8 plus 6 minus 4. 2. Remainder's 2. Boom! You're welcome. And the remainder theorem's got a big brother, the factor theorem. Simple idea. If you plug in a number and the whole thing comes out to 0, then that piece divides in perfect. It's a factor. Is x minus 1 a factor of x cubed minus 1? Plug in 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Yes, sir, it's a factor. Now, is x minus 2 a factor of x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6? Plug in 2. 8 minus 8 minus 10 plus 6. Negative 4. Not 0, so nope. Right on. 2 seconds. No division. That's power, partner. And now, the grand finale. We use all of it to solve a big ugly one. Solve. X cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. A cubic's got 3 answers buried in it, and here's how you dig them out. First, go hunting for one root. Just try small numbers. Try 1. 1 minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. 0. So x minus 1 is a factor. Second, divide the cubic by x minus 1, and you're left with a friendly little x squared minus x minus 6. Third, factor that. X minus 3 times x plus 2. So altogether, x minus 1 times x minus 3 times x plus 2, giving you 3 roots. 1, 3, and negative 2. We just hog-tied a cubic. One more, 'cause repetition's how it sticks. Solve. X cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. Hunt a root. Try 1. 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2, 0. So x minus 1's a factor. Divide it out, you get x squared plus 3x plus 2, which factors to x plus 1 times x plus 2. Roots. 1, negative 1, negative 2. Find one root, divide it out, factor what's left. Memorize that little 3-step waltz, and no cubic'll ever scare you again. Okay, hotshots, pop quiz. Yeah, I'm that teacher. 6 questions, everything we covered. I'll pose it, you pause and solve it. Then I tell you whether to be proud or ashamed. 1. Name this and give its degree. 4x squared minus 7x cubed plus 2. Degree 3, and it's a trinomial. Biggest exponent's the 3 hiding on that negative 7x cubed. Order don't fool me, and it shouldn't fool you. 2. Add. X squared plus 2x minus 5 plus 3x squared minus x plus 1. 4x squared plus x minus 4. Just matched up the socks. 3. Multiply. X plus 4 times x minus 2. X squared plus 2x minus 8. Everybody shook hands. 4. Remainder when x cubed plus x squared minus 4 is divided by x minus 1. -2. You did not long divide that. You plugged in 1. 1 plus 1 minus 4, right? 5. Is x plus 2 a factor of x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x? Yes. Plug in -2. -8 plus 12 minus 4. 0. 0 means it walks right in. 6. The big one. Solve. X cubed minus 7x plus 6 equals 0. X equals 1, 2, and -3. Plug in 1. 0. So x minus 1's a factor. Divide it out, you get x squared plus x minus 6, which factors to x plus 3 times x minus 2. 3 roots, just like that. Get most of those? Then I'm proud of you, partner. You just swallowed a whole Polynomials unit and didn't even choke. Missed a few? That's all right. Even the best cowboys fall off the horse. Rewind, saddle up, ride it again. See you next lesson.